Priest.
Well, on a light note, before we get into some concerns I have for our weather today, our first day of autumn technically beginning later tonight at 9:04 p.m. So tomorrow will be our first full day of autumn, but fall is here, and by tomorrow morning it's going to feel like fall. That's because of a strong cold front that's going to come through the area today. Outside this morning ahead of the front, it is mild, it is muggy. We're looking at temps that are in the mid to upper 60s range with a breeze that's coming in from the southwest, about 5 to 15 miles per hour already this morning, and that breeze is going to continue to pick up as the day goes on. That's pumping in some humidity. Our dew points at the moment are in the mid to upper 60s range. So as that cold front comes through today, there's plenty of moisture in the atmosphere for the front to work with, and that's going to continue to bring us the potential for some heavy rain. It also brings us these gusty winds. As we head through the later part of the morning, closer to lunchtime, you can see gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour at first out of the southwest. And this is where we have our warmest temperatures of the day. And then as we head into the later part of the afternoon, winds start to come in from the northwest, coming in 20 to 30 miles per hour overnight, and through the day tomorrow, 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts out of the northwest. We wake up tomorrow morning in the 40s, about 20 degrees cooler than where we're at right now, and highs tomorrow with these gusty winds from the northwest continuing may only make it into the upper 50s. We are going to see really cool temperatures out there tomorrow. We stay pretty chilly on Saturday morning with highs on Saturday only in the mid 60s. We get back more into a seasonable range for Sunday and Monday, that average high in the low 70s as we head through the later part of September. Here's what we're looking at on the satellite radar image. We're dry for now, but there's heavy rain already showing up to our north and our west, and we're going to track this cold front as the day goes on. Again, this cold front is going to bring us heavy rain, isolated thunderstorms. It's also going to help guide Fiona farther out to sea. Fiona this morning still a Category 4 hurricane. Hurricane warnings in place for Bermuda. The track going to continue to move towards the north-northeast right now at 13 miles per hour, continuing to make that track north over the course of the later part of the week and into the weekend. Again, staying pretty far out to sea. We don't feel many impacts here in southern New England except at the immediate coastline where you do have that high surf advisory in place for tomorrow. Dangerous surf conditions and potentially some beach erosion too, with those coastlines getting battered by some big waves through the coming days. Here's how things play out hour by hour for us today. By late morning, that rain and thunderstorm activity on our doorstep. This is noontime. You can see some heavy rain showing up across southern New England, continuing through the early to middle part of the afternoon. Now, overnight, this cold front comes through. We see improving conditions as we head through the overnight hours and into tomorrow, but it's cool outside. And tomorrow we get much brighter, but it stays really chilly. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s. And as we head through tomorrow night and into Saturday morning, many spots will be down into the low 40s. In terms of how much rainfall we're looking at, figure about half an inch to an inch of rain. It's going to come down very quickly through the afternoon, so we will have to watch for some of that ponding on our area roadways as we head through the late part of the morning and into the afternoon hours. Temps today in the mid 70s, happening right around lunchtime. From there, the winds shift. Overnight, temps dip down into the upper 40s. It stays breezy, which means most of us have temperatures in the mid to upper 40s range. Factor in the wind, and we'll have a wind chill factor tomorrow morning. And it stays breezy and chilly through the day tomorrow. High temperatures only in the upper 50s range. 7 days shows temperatures in the mid 60s Saturday, low 70s on Sunday, and staying seasonable into the start of next week with some rain. Guys?